All right, guys, all finished with the 14 scale mobile home. I'd say this thing turned out pretty good. Very happy with it. A lot of fun to build. I would like to sell, if anybody's interested in building one of these, the pieces that I 3D printed on my Facebook page. I'll put a link in the description. You can send me a message over there if you're interested. Like the porch support here, of course, the walls and the windows. And as you know, they slide up and down. And all the little bits and bobs. I started the interior. You guys have seen this all before, but you could really go to town with some dollhouse furniture and some lights, wallpaper. I didn't want to spend that much more time on it, so I didn't do a full interior, but there's the back side. And next time I'd ply with this whole thing and probably use a different roof. This was a bit of a pain to cut, but all in all, very happy with it. There's the brooder guy beside the door. So you can see the scale. I think he's 1/16. It's pretty close. So that's it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And come on, focus. We'll see you in the next one.